Hello and welcome back to the Daily Transmission with Heritage Parts Centre. Today we're going to be showing you how to fit these wind deflectors to a VW T4. People choose to have wind deflectors on their vehicle for one of two reasons. Firstly is exterior styling. They actually look really good and a nice discreet accessory to have on the outside of your vehicle. Secondly is, it's exactly what it says on the tin, to deflect wind. Having these deflectors on the window will just help you, will enable you to have your window down by 1 or 2 inches and not have wind rushing through, so you can get a fresh air stream coming into the cab or the cabin area and not have wind rushing in. That's what they will do. And also with the window open a little bit, any rain that's coming down will deflect that rain from the open window too. So one of 2 or 3 reasons to have them. The kit itself comprises of the following. You have a wind deflector, one for each side for the front windows. Each deflector has a little sticky tab, and that is to help you locate them. And the other parts are 4 clips. You get 2 clips per window, and they are to go into the window rubber channel. And the location is as follows. You will place 1 clip in the middle of this straight section and 1 clip in the middle of this straight section for both windows. So let's get straight on with fitting them. First of all, you've got to make sure that the window is open. Next thing is to remove the tape from these sticky tabs there. And what they are for is for just holding the wind deflector in location as you're installing it. So next then, we are sliding that wind deflector into the aperture. It's a little bit tight, so go careful. There you go, and that's it. And you'll notice that it's still moving a little bit, and we're going to prevent that movement and lock it into place with these metal tabs. Now I'm going to be pushing those tabs in with one of our paddle pick tools. You can use a flat bladed screwdriver, a large flat bladed screwdriver if you choose to, but these only go in one way, and that is with the barb facing inwards, and it'll attach into the rubber, or it'll dig into the rubber on the inside of the vehicle, not into the wind deflector itself. And as I said before at the top of the video, we're going to place 1 here in the middle of this flat section and 1 here in the middle of this flat section. So we'll start with this. We're literally just going to pop it in. I can get my hands in there. There we go. I prized it out there just a little bit because the fitting seemed quite close. And then pop that one again, making sure the barb is facing the inside of the vehicle. And there we go. That is all the way home in its position. The last thing to do is to check that the window still operates correctly, and it's all done. Thank you very much for watching this episode of the Daily Transmission. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future episodes. If you'd like to check out the playlist for this series or any other, please head down to the description where you will find a link. If you'd like to support Combe Valley Campers, head over to our website at www.combevalleycampers.co.uk, where you will find links to our web store and our Patreon page. Please follow us in between episodes at our Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.